History on the Adventure. My first trip and I remember was when I went to the ship in the port. I was about 8 years old. It was in the April because my mom celebrated my brother's on the birthday. We lived in the one parking on the afternoon. We went to the eat on the long run and they erased us. Arrived in Oaxaca, we went to the first on the guide in the calle, Arturo. Who lives? We went to the tree, and the Rex le ayudas. We came in the sleep, and the next to the day, we went to the Tule tree. Before embarking on the trip in the hidden port. I was very long trip in the boat, and the Arise hidden port is one of the most beautiful memories and I have arrived in the woods to see your grandfather. We passed in the hills to the Hills Hotel San Juan. In the center of the port very nice was the first time I saw my grandfather, but the winds on the sleep under my house. I have many very nice memories, walking on the beach, wind and the moon, my brothers on the Nibelung. We go to the weak sky. We ate in the loud of the leaf food. We related in the sea. We walked on the night to the court. It is one of the best memories I have.